Okay, Crossbolt mod test firing on the range. "55 feet. "55 feet. "65 feet, kind of bounced to 68. These are all fired level, by the way. I'm about a foot or two in. And that one dropped at about 44, went straight downwards. The string was tied off here at the end. Not quite that strong yet. I could have done this for a little more strength, but when I do this, the angle's kind of weird. I haven't really finished that. All right, now for the stock, you can compare it to. "48 feet. Hit at 53, bounced to 60. These are all fired level. Hit at 52 feet, bounced to 60, maybe 58. Hit at 42 feet. Hit at 45 feet. So, despite the fact that I don't have that thung from the bow, this guy's actually holding up pretty well. I'm pleased. All right, that's the